All right, so it's back on all fours. Back on all four wheels. I have to see if I find another cap for right here because the center cap broke when that wheel fell off. So I'm gonna have to try to find me a new center cap. Alignment's off, so I'm gonna have to take it to get an alignment, but other than that, it's on all fours and it's back. All right, so here's all the old parts. Bunch of old rusty metal. And here's all the clean parts. Looks much, much better. So the only thing I need to do is go ahead and tighten up these, and I'm good to go. I want her to drop there on all four wheels before I tighten those up, those in the upper control arms. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up those and take it for a test drive. All right, guys, truck's done. Drives good, just needs to get my alignment. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned till the next project.